Hello again from Car Key Solutions workshop, where here we have secured this Porsche Cayman 718 chassis. Having a brand new vehicle and thinking it has the most up-to-date vehicle security system that they cannot be beaten is wrong, and it's been proven time and times again. You know, a super sport car like this, like a Porsche or any other keyless vehicle, being a Range Rover, Mercedes, BMW, and thinking they cannot be stolen is wrong. Is wrong, absolutely wrong. And paying attention, you could save yourself or spread the word. You could save someone else a lot of headache if their car is being stolen. Brand new car with keyless technology. People, they're not aware about the scale of theft on those vehicles, and they do need protection. Here at Car Key Solutions, we offer comprehensive protection solutions with top of the range product like Goes to Immobiliser or smart alarms. Car Key Solutions stands for vehicle protection, and we are here to advise and assist. Get in touch. We'll be here waiting for you.